It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we are going to take a look at 2015-16 Upper Deck Champs Hockey. We're also going to be drawing our winner of our 500 and 600 subscriber contest. Somebody's going to win this, and somebody's going to win this, so stay tuned for that as well. Thank you very much for all the subs and all the likes on the recent videos. I really appreciate it. We're up over 900 subs now, which is just awesome. So we're going to be doing another contest soon, but not in this video. In this video, we're going to take a look at Champs. So I like this product. This product was from 15-16. It was a return. I think the last year they did it before that was 2009, 2010. It's kind of a throwback set, but you get 3 hits per box. You usually get 1 auto and 2 memorabilia cards. There is a chance for Connor McDavid rookies in this, and obviously that's what you're looking for. There's also some weird relic cards and some cards like fish that are in here as well, so it's just kind of a bizarre little set. It's actually, you can purchase this now for about $50. I got this box for $49, and for that price, I think it's a pretty good product. I don't know what it was when it came out. I think it was closer to $100. I don't quite remember. But let's get into this guy and see what we pull. You get 20 packs per box and 6 cards per pack with Champs. First pack, we got Brian Elliott, Marcus Johansson, Cody Eakin, Brian Johansson, Marian Gaborik, and Mark Giordano. So it doesn't look like we got an insert there, but there are also high numbered cards that are short printed, like this Ryan Johansson. I believe anything above 200 is a short printed high number card. I do like these cards a lot. They kind of have a plainer look, like an old school look with all the flourish that's on them. Cardboard back. Actually, 2 color printing on the back. You've got the black and you've got like this gold color here. So I think they're kind of nice. Some people may think they're too plain or too cheap, but I like them. So we've got Shane Doan, Mike Smith. This is a good one. This is a gold front variant, Victor Arvidsson. So you can tell by the border that that's a parallel to the regular card. And we've got Famous Foods. This is Pittsburgh. We love our pierogies and that. Victor Hedman and Alice Hemsky. So that pierogi card's an example of some of the weirder stuff that's in this set. Some people don't like that, but there's enough products that are just straight up hockey, where everything's hockey related. It's actually, I think it's kind of neat to get stuff like that. Bo Horvat, Kyle Palmieri, Jonathan Quick, Henrik Zetterberg, Brady Shea, rookie, and John Carlson. Tyler Myers, Justin Falk, Taylor Hall, Andrew Kopp, rookie, Troy Brouwer, and Brad Marchand. So the next video I put out will probably be 2019-20 MVP. I should hopefully have my box by then. Valtteri Filppula, Chris Kreider, OEL, and we've got Nicholas Backstrom, and this is also a gold front parallel. Victor Arvidsson, rookie, the base, and Mike Green. Shipment of MVP got delayed. I'm not sure why, but it's slated to arrive tomorrow, so hopefully the next video will have that in it. Sir Frederick Banting, What did Sir Frederick do? He's a physician and a medical scientist born in Ontario and won a Nobel Prize for his work at the University of Toronto discovering a method to extract insulin from the pancreas to treat human diabetes patients. So, proud Canadian there. And here is a relic card. We've also got Dougie Hamilton of Jonathan Bernier. So a little blue piece of fabric there. And you'll notice that the relic cards and the autographs will have the hologram present on them. This, can't remember if these are game worn. Game used. So these are game used memorabilia in this product, which to me that adds a little bit extra. So that's our first hit. So we should get another jersey card and an auto. Alexander Steen, Cooch, Braden Holtby, Mark Scheifele, Devin Shore, rookie, and Jeff Skinner. So this is a 15-16 product. It's kind of interesting, even though this product is only 4 years old, just to see how many players have changed teams since then. Andrew Shaw, Brent Burns, Nick Foligno, and we've got another gold variant front. Oh, actually, this is a gold variant back. So let's set that aside for a second. So we got Franz Nielsen and Linus Ullmark, rookie. So the normal backs look like this. The gold variant backs have the gold front and also this Glorious Champs hockey back. So this is a little bit more rare than the gold variant fronts. So Thomas Tatar, gold variant back. Radim Verbata, Keith Yandel, Louis Joliet, and we've got Jonathan Huberdeau, gold variant front. Scott Hartnell and Colton Perrieko, Stanley Cup champion, rookie card. Teuvo Teravainen, Ryan McDonough, Jack Eichel rookie, so there's a nice one. And we've got Northern Wonders, Kootenay National Park. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, let me know in the comments. Looks gorgeous. David Jones and Anthony Duclair. We got Paul Stastny, Chris Letang, David Descharnais, gold variant back, and our first fish card, Yellow Perch. And the back of these gives you a little write-up on the Yellow Perch. Stanislav Galiev, rookie, Kyle Turris on the Sens. Another nice thing about these is they have, if we pour autograph, they are on card. So I always appreciate that more than a sticker. Vincent Trocheck, Wayne Simmons, Oscar Lindbergh, rookie. We've got Nick Ritchie, rookie, gold variant back. Patrick Hornquist, and Roman Josi. This one is fighting me. Carl Soderberg, Derek Stefan, Nikolai Ehlers, rookie. And we got another fish. We've got the brook trout. Milan Lucic and Victor Rask. So I think the base set is 315 cards. So it's a fairly sizable set. David Descharnais, Mika Zibanejad, Jason Pominville, and we've got a gold variant front, Jake Allen, and a rookie of Chandler Stevenson, and Mike Hoffman. Justin Abdelkader, Antti Niemi, Derek Stefan, gold variant back. Just dropped him. The Coho Salmon, Mikko Koivu, and Sam Gagner. Getting near the bottom of the box here, we're still owed another memorabilia and an auto. David Pasternak, Tyler Ennis, Teddy Purcell, Andre Pavlik, David Krejci, and Matthias Janmark rookie card. Chris Stewart. There we go. We got a Matt Pumple rookie relic. Red. Mike McCarron rookie. And Blake Como. So one of these last 3 packs should contain an auto. Tyler Toffoli, Nazem Kadri, Charles Hudon rookie, and we've got a Sam Gagner gold variant front. Dr. Dre, Colin Wilson, packs are shredding oddly. Matt Zuccarello, Jacob Silverberg. Oh, and there's our auto. Come back to that in a second. We've also got Cup Traditions playoff handshake. Brian Little, P.A. Parento. And check this guy out. We've got a Gabe Landeskog rookie. Or, not a rookie. Gabe Landeskog autograph. Not a rookie. Very nice on-card auto. Don't believe I have a Landeskog auto, so that's kind of cool. Very nice. We're liking that guy. Final pack. Ryan O'Reilly, Freddie Anderson, Matt Duchene, Bret Hart. I have not seen this one before. Former wrestler. TJ Oshie and Nick Ritchie rookie card. So our best pull probably out of that guy is our Gabe Landeskog card autograph, captain of the Avalanche. So really good break. I like Champs a lot. I'm gonna take all this stuff and sit it aside now. So let's get this situated here. So what we're gonna do now, let's get the right amount of zoom here. We are going to do our drawing for our 500 and 600 subscriber contest. So it's the 14th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomize this list 4 times. This is the list of everybody who correctly entered the contest. At the end of the 4th randomization, the number 1 name is going to win the Series 110. And the number 2 name is going to win the Series 2 Mega Box. So, good luck to everybody. Here's number 1. Lots of names entered. Number 2. Number 3. And finally, number 4. So, Cameron Fullerton wins the Series 110, and Master Norgan wins the Series 2 Mega Box. So if you are Cameron or Master, please email me at greatdayforhockeycards@gmail.com, and I'll tell you how to verify your identity and claim your prize. But thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the break of 2015-16 score. Thanks for sticking with me all this time and watching my videos. To everybody who's subscribed. If you like the videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you like the content, give me a subscribe. Until then, we will see you next time.